to Creating with Mimi if you're new. Today's video is all about the home essential items that everyone needs for decor. And the best part is that these items will last you from year to year. You can take these items with you if you're moving, and you can use them in different parts of the house. So you can build on these items and really create this incredible home for your style. These foundation items are key. They will anchor your home and give you a beautiful setting. If this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I don't want you to miss an upload. I have tons of inspiration videos coming your way. I work with my clients to create a beautiful space in order for them to create the oasis in the home that they desire. And these foundation pieces that we're going to talk about are totally key. Beautiful pieces that invoke some type of memory and just really feel good to look at. First off, down inserts. Down inserts in your pillows are just a fundamental that every single person should use. They fluff the pillow up, they make the pillow look really nice, comfortable, warm, and inviting. And the down inserts will last you a long time. The only thing that you need to do is change out your pillow coverings, but that down insert will be perfect. There are a couple of places that you can get them from. I have a video about the IKEA inserts. Now, those are fairly inexpensive, the most inexpensive that I found, but I'll be honest, you're gonna need 2 inserts pretty much for a pillow that's 20 by 20 or 22 by 22. But they're $6. Most down pillow inserts, if you get them at Bed Bath & Beyond or Pottery Barn, they're gonna cost about $30-40. They last forever. I mean years. You don't have to worry about the pillow losing its shape. It is a fundamental basic that you will need for your home. And it's fairly impactful because you're going to get your money's worth by choosing a down insert. They will help your bed or your sofa look outstanding, freshen it up and keeping it in line with our current style. Another item is a down comforter insert. These are so warm, they make your bed look luxurious, and they last forever. You can pick them up at Target, Walmart, Pottery Barn. Comforter covers or duvets. This is such a great buy. That is impactful and will last you a long time. I love them because you can take them off, put them in the washing machine. You do not have to worry about spills. You spent $500 for a comforter and now you've got a stain. With the duvet cover, you can take it off, you can stain treat it and put it in the washing machine, dry it, and back in full use again. Changing these in and out with the season, the decor, that's awesome because they are easy. Once you take one off, you can fold it up, put it away. It's not like a full comforter where you've got to find storage for it. A duvet cover, you can just place it inside of a drawer. Absolutely love these for variety and style. Pillow covers. Stop buying $10, $20 pillows at Target, Home Goods. Just invest in the covers and then you can switch them out. Even if you spend a little bit more money for the covers, they'll last such a long time because you're rotating them in and out. They're not on the sofa for an entire year. It's probably a few 3 months. Every 3 or 4 months, you can switch them out. You can get super creative with your color without breaking the bank. It doesn't matter if your covers are plain or if they're patterned. The whole point is to get a variety of different pillow covers that you may want to switch out. And a great place to do that is IKEA. They have pillow covers that start about $2, $3, $6, gorgeous colors, gorgeous finish, velvet, linen, cotton. Coffee table books. Every home needs a coffee table book. You can leave the book open faced to a beautiful image, or you can just use them as decor. Coffee table books are a great way to show your interest, to show your personal style. I have tons of them around that I place on a coffee table, and I love the ones that are black and white. If you find a book that's all pink or all blue, and it acts as an accent color to whatever color that you're working with in the space. It is such a classy and sophisticated thing to do in decor. Another home essential, green plant. Live plants would be best, but if you're like me and you don't have a green thumb, go ahead and use faux plants. Or you can use green topiary balls. You can find them in different shapes, different colors. It's an excellent way to add decor to your space. You can place them on bathroom countertops, a cocktail table, a dining room table would look gorgeous with just a wood table and green foliage and a couple of candles. Sometimes you don't even need the candles. If the green foliage is enough, it just carries the table and it invokes a different type of decor style. When I'm working with clients, I will place some type of greenery in every single room. It just invokes life to me. It breathes life into a space. It freshens up a space and it makes the space feel very inviting. You can never go wrong with having too many candles in a space, especially if you're personalizing your scent. And when you walk into your home, it smells inviting and delicious. For me, I tend to lean towards anything that smells like food. I love a good floral scent as well, but I try to make it very subtle so that you can't really determine where it's coming from. Candles are not only for scents, but for design or decor, or if you stick a candle inside of a glass jar, and sometimes you can just place it there and it's just an accent item on top of a table. Candles will set the mood. They add a certain ambiance to your style. You can get candles that have a relaxing vibe. Lighting. Lighting is an excellent way, and it is one of the basic essentials that you need to consider in your home. Whether that is overhead lighting, low voltage lighting, table lamp lighting, lighting is very important to creating the perfect environment. Oftentimes we forget about the lighting when we're designing a space. It's always that last thing. But the right lighting is very crucial. It is both functional and aesthetic. Rugs, essential. It is an essential piece to every decor. It can be functional and it can be aesthetic. Rugs, in some places, they add warmth and they keep the warmth radiated in the room. Rugs will also designate a space, a conversation area, a dining room area, an entry area. I've completed a video to give you the ins and outs about rugs, size, where to place a rug, how to choose the right rug for the appropriate space. So I won't go into too much detail in reference to that. Rugs are definitely a key essential and a foundation base piece that every home should have. Mirrors are great because they will reflect light. They will add dimension to a space. Some mirrors are purely aesthetic, where you can get a gold leaf mirror, mirrors that have a picture frame. It will take up wall space. If you have a large wall, it's great to put a large mirror there to reflect back into the room, and it just gives the space a whole new dimension. Mix up the sizes of a mirror in one room. It doesn't always have to be a rectangular or a square. You can have a rectangle mirror on one wall and then do a collage of oval-shaped or round mirrors on a different wall. The finishes of a mirror are also important. I tend to stay away from things that are trendy, like the rose gold or champagne color. I try to keep it very simple. Either a wood framed mirror, a black mirror, or a gold mirror will last you a long time. Keep in mind, we are trying to develop the basic fundamental pieces that we'll have from year to year. Last but not least, great wall art. Wall art is important because it will pull a room together. Depending on the size of the wall art that you choose, the colors that you choose, it can either be a focal point or it can be a backdrop. Great wall art can anchor the design. It displays your level of sophistication. The most important question you should ask yourself when choosing wall art, do I want to see this every day? Not necessarily does it fit the design that I'm looking for or the decor that I'm looking for, but I always say with wall art, if you can pick up colors in a wall art, what does it invoke in me when I'm looking at this particular wall art? I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section if there are items in decor that you just can't live without that would be great fundamental basics for decor. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, make every day a great day.